Hey everyone, and welcome back. You ready to dive deep into some serious Excel skills today?
Absolutely. I'm all about making those spreadsheets work for you, not the other way around.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
And let's be honest, sometimes Excel can feel like it's fighting back,
Yeah.
right? Especially when you're dealing with huge amounts of data.
Yeah, you know those massive spreadsheets that just seem to go on forever?
Oh yeah, for sure. And, you know, you're in for a long day when you have to make sense of all of it.
Ugh, don't remind me.
But hey, that's why we're here today. We've got this awesome cheat sheet on Excel shortcuts that I think is going to change the game for a lot of people.
Seriously, this thing is packed with some real time savers.
And today, we're focusing specifically on sorting data.
Because let's face it, sorting is one of those tasks that can just eat up your time.
Oh, absolutely. Especially if you're doing it manually, dragging and dropping rows, trying to get everything in the right order. It's a pain.
Seriously. So why not learn how to do it like a pro with just a few keystrokes?
Okay, so spill the beans. What's the secret shortcut that's going to make us sorting ninjas?
It's actually super simple. Alt plus D plus S.
Wait, really? That's it?
Yep, 3 keys and you're off to the races.
Wow. Okay, I gotta try this. So, Alt plus D plus S.
Mm.
What exactly happens when I press those keys?
Well, first of all, you'll impress all your coworkers with your mad keyboard skills.
Okay, that's a definite plus.
But more importantly, it brings up this little window called the Sort Dialog box.
Sort dialog box. Okay.
And this is where the real magic happens because it gives you total control over how you want to sort your data. You can choose which column you want to sort by. You can decide if you want to go A to Z or Z to A, ascending or descending order.
Right, right.
But here's where it gets really cool. You can even sort by multiple criteria.
Well, multiple criteria. So, like, what would be an example of that?
Okay, so imagine you've got this spreadsheet with all of your employee data. You've got their names, their departments, their salaries, all that good stuff.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
And let's say you want to first sort everyone by their department. And then within each department, you want to see who's making the most money.
Ah, so you'd sort by department and then by salary within each department.
Exactly. And the sort dialog box makes this super easy to do. No more manual sorting nightmares.
That's seriously impressive. I can already see how much time this could save.
Oh, tons. And think about all the different ways you could use this. You could sort customer data by region and then by purchase history. You could sort project tasks by priority and then by due date.
Wow. The possibilities are endless. It's like a superpower for data organization.
I know, right? And the best part is, it's just one of many keyboard shortcuts that can make you an Excel master.
So what you're saying is we should all ditch the mouse and become keyboard warriors.
Pretty much. There's a shortcut for almost everything in Excel, and once you start using them, you'll never go back.
So for everyone listening, if you're tired of sorting your data like it's the Stone Age, Alt plus D plus S is your key to the future.
It's like trading in your horse and buggy for a spaceship.
I love that analogy. And who knows what other amazing shortcuts are out there just waiting to be discovered.
That's a great point. What other tedious tasks do you think you could speed up with a shortcut? I bet there's a solution hiding somewhere in Excel's vast universe of features.
That's a challenge for all our listeners. Go out there, explore, experiment, and don't be afraid to embrace the power of the keyboard.
And hey, if you find a mind-blowing shortcut, share the wealth. Let us know in the comments or hit us up on social media. We're always up for learning new tricks.
Absolutely. Happy sorting, everyone.